So hello guys, I'm Takoshiho. Today I'm going to show you how to make edamame shake for the upcoming summer. It might not be appetizing for you because beans for the shake, but trust me, it's very popular shake in Japan and it's easy to make and nice and creamy, could be vegan or vegetarian. So let's start! Okay, so these are the ingredients. 150 grams of defrosted edamame and the same amount of milk. I used soy milk today, but it can be milk or almond milk or any kinds of milk you like. And 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. It could be vegan ice cream if you like. And a hint of salt. So I'm going to take out beans from this pot first. Actually, edamame is in season in summer here in Japan. I want you to try real fresh edamame in Japan. That's so different and tasty. Okay. It's just this much. Go. Okay, next I'm going to add edamame in the blender. And milk. And salt. Okay, then blend it. Whoa. Wow, it's beautiful color, no? It's a bit chunky, but could be nice. Okay, so nice. And I put ice cream in here. All right. So it's about 200 grams, 1 cup. All right. Blend it again. There we go. Oh, it's good. Yeah. So I will pour this in glasses. All right, it's done. Wow, look at this beautiful color. Okay, then you can put some edamame on it. Oops, it's too heavy for that. Just make a half and on it. It's going to sink. Whoop, whoop. Nice. It's done. Yes. Itadakimasu. So good. It's filling and creamy, and also it's nutritious too. I added some salt, right? That's the point. Salt gives a nice touch of sweetness to it. I want you to try this. It's so good. I uploaded some other frozen edamame recipes on my channel, so please check it out too. See you on the next video. Bye bye!